So hello and welcome back. So today I've got problems with the Dodge Ram. I literally left work and it started jumping. And I'm 100% it's the differential. So we're going to take the cover off and have a look. Right, so that's all the bolts out. So let's see. Oh. Let the oil drain out, yeah. There's a lot of bits coming out. Oh no. Oh no, this looks really bad. I don't know if I dare look. Oh gosh. Oh dear. So here's the extent of the damage. Look at that. Absolutely knackered. Yeah? But the main crown wheel looks good. Can't see any damage. Or onto the other wheel at the back. I can't remember what you call that one, but they don't look anything on that either. Apparently this is quite easy to replace these four here. So we'll see. So let me get some ordered. So the new part has arrived. Let's hope it's right. Oh, according to this is right. Yeah. Now one thing is wrong. I ordered a gasket. I've just checked my order and I've ordered the right one, but they've ordered me one for a 1972 to 1995 one. 9 1/4. Now mine is 9.25 I believe, but this was like £3, so I'm not that worried. I mean, it's just probably an accident. But I have got a cool, if I can get it out of the box, they have given me, look at cool fridge magnet. Awesome. So I'm not going to undo this before I take it off the truck in case this is wrong. But this is a 31 spine. I've counted them and checked it. So let's hope, right, let's hope that I'm right. So I'm not sure I'm going to get all this done today because it's now 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it's usually dark by 5. But we're going to get it off and we're going to see what we can do today. Because the gasket was wrong, I've been up at the shop and got some of the sealer stuff to put around, because most people who seem to online do it with the sealer stuff. I don't know if that's better or not, I don't know. But I'm not waiting another week to get another gasket, yeah? It's not, I don't think it's worth it. So like I said, I've just took the wheels off. I'm going to take the cover off again. And then we're going to enter into it, yeah? Sort of looking forward to getting it fixed, sort of not really looking forward to this kind of job, because it's a bit cold out here and it's not very nice, yeah? But I'm sort of against the weather a bit because it does talk of rain from like tonight onwards. Yeah, so I'm going to get as much done today as I can before the light goes, because unfortunately I've only got one torch and that is, well, it needs charging because it's flat from the other day and I completely forgot to do it and I'm just about to do it now. Yeah, so that's now, oh, sorry, wrong one. There we go. Yeah, so now we're charging, yeah. This one doesn't hold a battery for very long. Okay, 20 minutes and it's flat. So it was free, yeah. I found this stuck under the Dodge Ram when I bought it about a year ago. It made it all the way from Thatcham, which is like a 3-hour drive. But yeah, this is the good one, but we've got to let it charge. So if I put it on now, we'll see. Okay, so next thing is to take the cover off again and then we'll have a look. So we've got to undo this nut here. This should slide out. And then we have to get the teeth out. Now, this is going to be awkward because the teeth are so damaged, it doesn't turn very well, yeah? So we'll enter into that problem when we've took the pin out, yeah? So let me just undo this. Now this is like 5/16 or something. Now, the problem here is in the UK, we have imperial and metric. Most things are metric these days. Unfortunately, this is the one spanner I don't have. So I'm going to have to find one that fits. Will that get it off? I think that'll get it off. So you can undo that with an 8mm, yeah? This just slides out, which has already started coming out, which is very good, if I can get my hand on it. Right, let me just come back to you. All you've got to do is twist the drive shaft, and they'll come out. Oh my days, look at that. Oh my gosh. that is 100% effed, yeah. It's going to get the back one out that way, because I've got to clean all the, I'm going to have to clean all in here anyway. But I thought I'll clean it after I've got it all out. There is a magnet, like I say, down the bottom here. Oh, there's always one that's awkward, isn't there? Everything's so slippery, you know what I mean? I mean, most people do this with gloves on, but we're not everybody, are we? Hang on. I'm going to need both hands, I think. Oh dear. Well, I can definitely say they're knackered. Now I've got to get the two other ones out. Now, to do this, apparently, you just need to push the drive shaft inwards, and then the retaining clips will come out, and then you just put the new ones in and off we go. Well, after I've cleaned it, obviously. So, let's find out. So, let me just see if I can get that light set up for us. There we go, right. So, the retaining clip on there, I'll push the drive shaft through this way. There's the retaining clip, yeah. And then what I'm going to do now is push this axle back out again, and then hopefully this just pulls off. And it does, look at that. Wow. So I'm probably going to have to knock that one through, get the clip off, then push both drive shafts each way to have enough room to get that out. So yeah, let's have a go. So I've literally just pushed it back. Is there enough room to get it out? No. Oh no, don't tell me I have to take the drive shaft out. So I may have to take the brake disc out. I may have to take the caliper off, sorry, so you can push it a little bit more just to get it out, but that is virtually out. Oh. Right. Can't get it back on again, but it's out. So yeah, bear with me. So these are the side cogs. Bit rough. Yeah. We'll clean them up and have a proper look later, but these are 31. These are 31, so it looks like we've got the right kit, thankfully. Oh, a bit of relief. So these have all got the washers on the back. Yeah. But we get new ones anyway. So let's open it up and have a look. So they were nice. Easy, just slot them on. Yeah. And just push it, put the clip on, then push them back. The other two are a bit more awkward. So there's the cogs in. It all looks, oh, good to me. So let's try putting the pin in. So there we go. Look at that. Looks beautiful, yeah? Perfect. So there we go. Look at that. Yes, mate. So, we've got to clean all this off and all this off, yeah, before we put the cover back on. So I've got all the metal filings out and everything. I blew out the airline, I've cleaned it with cloth, I've washed it out. I don't think I can do any more than that, to be honest. So yeah, like I say, next job, clean all this off. But it is getting dark, it is night time out here now. So yeah, there you go, you can see the magnet. And, oh, I don't know if you see it. Hang on. There's the magnet, yeah? So I've cleaned all the old off. I've cleaned all the bolts. Yeah. So I'm very impressed with this. I'm just hoping this is the problem solved. So to get this old off, I'm using one of these blades. So there we go. So like you say, use a little scraper. Make sure you don't drop none of it in there, mind you. Probably should have done it first, but oh well. And then a bit of solvent on the end just to clean it off. And we're ready to go for the next bit. So because they've sent me the wrong gasket, that's what we've used. So there we go. It's all put back on. Sorry I couldn't show you that. I needed two hands doing. I'll be honest, I was talking to Dad and I completely forgot. I've just put some black paint on because I'd scratched it all. Because like I say, under my truck everything's black under here. It'll all fade in eventually. So yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to put the oil in. Now I can't put the oil in now because I think you're supposed to let the gasket set. So I'm going to let that set overnight and then we'll put the oil in tomorrow. So this is the oil I've chosen. Yeah. So this is actually, I was watching a lot of videos of people doing Dodge Rams in America. And this is the one they were using. There we go. So, yeah, so I've got 3 of those. I was told you need 2 and a bit. So I thought, well, I didn't want to buy 2 and then knackered and can't drive it because I'll wait a week for it to come. So we're going to have to wait till tomorrow now because, like I say, I'm going to let that set. And also, it's pitch black outside now and it's getting cold now. Yeah, I want to have a shower. I've been up since 2 a.m. and it's now 5:30 at night. No, 6:30. Yeah. And yeah, I'm a bit knackered now. So I'm going to let that set and then we'll put that oil in tomorrow. I'm just going to lower it off the jack stands because we don't need to jack it up to put the oil in. You know what I mean? This truck's already lifted, so that's why I don't need the axle stands, yeah? I just lifted it off the ground because obviously got to take the wheels off to spin it. And also I just want to tighten my wheels up quickly because that's on my mind and I'd rather do it while it's on my mind. So you can see all the bits of metal. Look at the shine in there. Looks like I'm panning for gold here, but unfortunately it's not. Yes, there's a lot of bits of metal there. So we're going to start putting the oil in. It's easier when it's in a bag. Well, they haven't made a mess yet. So it's now full here. Just see. Don't know if this is going to show up. Hang on. Let me see if I can do it. Hang on. Don't know if you can just see that. It's not very good, but just covers the bottom of the spider gear about 3/4 of the way up. So your level is just about here, yeah? So now we just put the cap back in. Well, attempt to put the cap back in. There we go. So yeah, now we've got to go and try it. So, on the test so far, everything seems good. It's not, hopefully, this has cured the problem, but we'll find out, yeah? So we're going to go for a ride now, about, what, how far's Crowland from here?
10 minutes?
10, 15 minutes? So we're going to go just 10, 15 minutes up to the next village, and yeah, see if hopefully we make it back. Got away with it. So we're in Crowland, and if you see in front of us in a moment, there's the really old bridge from, I don't know how old it is, but I bet it's like 13th century or something. I don't know, 14th, probably earlier than that actually. I don't actually know. This is a very small village in an American truck, and there's people giving me funny looks like we don't see many of these around here. There we go. That's some old. See if you can get a look at the abbey. There you go. That's old. There's part of it missing. I can't remember the story to it, but I don't know why there's a bit missing. Yeah, this is a very big truck in a small village. Oh dear. Right. So at the moment the back axle's fixed. Me and the girlfriend have just been round Crowland and back. So it's done. How many miles do you reckon we've done? 20? Maybe 15, 20. So yeah, let's hope it holds out. But there was no problems, no noises, no clunks, no bumps, nothing. So the Dodge Ram seems to be fixed. Okay, so I'm really happy about this. So I've done 150 miles, no issues at all. Drives really nice. Yeah, unfortunately I wanted to film a bit more of this, but I couldn't because of the fact that gear oil just went on everything, and I was trying to do it at night, and it didn't really work out very well. Yeah, I had plans to make quite a good video with this, and I don't know, it just didn't really go. It didn't really work. Okay, so sorry about that. But yeah, so if you do have an American car in the UK, go to Rock Auto. Now I know they sent me one wrong part, but it wasn't that bad. Yeah, it was only a £3 part. The main thing I wanted was perfect. So yeah, so that's it from me. Oh, I just want to say hello to all the new subscribers, and thank you for all the likes and the comments. And yeah, and that's it from me, and I'm going to see you very soon in another video. I'm not quite sure what it is because the weather is turning. I mean, it was snowing here. You can see the ice. Oh, there we go, the ice on the roof, yeah. And bits of snow, right? Well, that was a couple of days ago, and I think it's about -1 out here at the minute. So I'm not going to do a lot. Though it is a beautiful sunny day. So yeah, so thank you for watching. See you all very soon in the next video.